Your meditation isn't failing. You're just fighting the 5 invisible walls the Buddha mapped out 2,600 years ago. You sit down, and immediately, desire, anger, sleepiness, restlessness, or doubt appears. You blame yourself. I'm a bad meditator, but that's wrong. These aren't enemies, they're natural mind states. Fighting them creates more resistance. The Buddha called them hindrances, because they block, not because you're bad. The real cause: you haven't learned the antidotes. Don't destroy them, recognize each one, then apply the specific antidote. Desire, see impermanence, it won't last. Ill will, send a tiny wish of kindness. Sloth, open your eyes, stand up. Restlessness, slow your breath. Doubt, just do this simple practice, don't overthink. The 10-second check. Before meditating, ask, which hindrance is here right now? Name it, then apply the antidote for 10 seconds. Desire, count 10 breaths, see them fade. Anger, 10 seconds of, may this being be well. Then sit, that's it. Hindrances become teachers. Each time you overcome one, the mind grows brighter, more unified, closer to jhana. You're not fighting meditation anymore. You're working with your mind.